This keto chia pudding is full of nutritious chia seeds and a rich, chocolatey pudding made with low-carb sweetener. This healthy dessert is high in fiber, packs in a bit of protein, and turns out so creamy and delicious. Ingredients: 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons erythritol or other low-carb sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon espresso powder optional, 1/4 cup chia seeds, keto whipped cream, fresh raspberries. Instructions: 1. Add almond milk, cocoa powder, sweetener, vanilla, and espresso powder to a small bowl and whisk well to combine. 2. Stir in chia seeds to combine. 3. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Stir well. 4. Divide into 2 servings and top with raspberries and whipped cream before serving. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.